This is like what's in my bag, but not directly from my bag. First things first. Oh my god, I almost don't want to show this because I've been trying to get another bottle of this and it's sold out. I don't want to like hype it up even more because I can't even get more of this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. She's French, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe. The button's down below, you know what to do. And if you want to follow me on Instagram to see a little bit more live updates of everything, then my Instagram is @shesfrench, just like the channel. I post a lot on Instagram and it's like very nice aesthetic, but also a little bit of my life in Paris and things like that, so a little bit more personal too. So if you want to keep up with me, I'd love to see you guys over there. So in today's video, this is one I talked about in the last video. This is a bit silly. I actually don't even know what to title this video, but I promise it's a good one because this is like the most important thing in my closet slash to me. I use it every day. Some stuff going on in there. But yeah, I want to show you what I keep inside of this. This is like what I call like my little essential pouch. I always empty out all my bags and have all of my essentials that I take with me or that I use very frequently in there. So I'm going to show you what I keep. Normally it's kind of just like here in my closet. If you haven't seen the video before, I am redoing my closet, so bear with me, but here it is. And by the way, I'll be posting the update to this soon, so you won't have to look at this for much longer. I'm super excited about that. So this is something I've been doing for a really long time. I've never been the type to leave my stuff in a bag. I switch bags really often, whether I carry like a very French little like really like basic tote or my work bag or one of my nicer bags. I always basically empty everything into here and then pick out what I need. And then I also have a few essentials in here as well that I just like to have in my closet because I'll use them while I'm getting dressed. So yeah, this pouch is a little teddy bear pouch from a brand called Noos, which is actually a really, really great brand for mom bags. I'm considering getting, I've had one of these bags before, I sold it and I really regret selling it. At the time, I wasn't really using it as much, but now that my son's getting bigger, I actually would love to have a bag that I can throw things into, especially because right now we go out in style and we bring a toilet seat with us for him. So would love a bag that can hide that better, but anyway. They make amazing bags. They fit over the stroller handlebars, but you would actually never know that it's a mom bag. It's actually just like a really nice simple tote. They have some in this material. They have a lot of other materials. I really like this brand and I think they're a really good price point. But anyway, here's the pouch. Zen actually has the same one in his room because I do that same kind of concept for his little necessities, and he has it on top of his little closet. So yeah, this is it. Ta-da! This is like what's in my bag, but not directly from my bag. So first things first, I keep my gloves. These are really beautiful leather gloves from Aritzia, but the amazing thing about these is that they're actually like tech friendly, so you can work with, if I can put them on, you can use your phone with these on, which is really great. Gets really cold in Paris, and I don't love the texture of gloves all the time, but these are really nice. I like to have them. I wear them a lot, and I like that they're like easy to scrunch into something. I mean, they're gloves, it's not like they take up a lot of space ever, but I really like these. The tech aspect is really important. These are the Aritzia Babaton brand. I got these a long time ago, size small, although I don't know that I would say I'm a small. I think I have really long fingers. I would say maybe size up a little bit if you have long fingers, but small is fine too. This is like random. It's exactly as I'm finding things. This is 2 packs of Doliprane, which is like French, like pain, headache medicine, like the over-the-counter type. I always carry some of this with me because you never know when you're gonna get a headache, and I never want it to hit when I'm at work. Use the computer a lot for everything. I feel like we all do, so I'd rather have some. Next, this is very boring. Don't click away. I promise it gets better. This is my eye drops. I wear contacts and I do not like when my eyes get dry. Sometimes they do from like the computer because you don't blink a lot. You're kind of like this all day. So I like to have these with me. These are running really low. I'll need to get more, but yeah. I think it's showing my age. I think at some point you start to like carry a pharmacy with you. I'm nearing 30. It's fine. I don't feel old, by the way. I feel very young still, and I think I am very young, but maybe this is not like peak youngness right here. Next is this. This is so cool. I love this. This is a little Chanel lipstick pouch that I got for free with something. I can't remember what. I've had this for years as well, but I use it to hide my tampons. And then I just refill it and carry it with me. It's like cute, chic, like understated, like I feel comfortable, like not that I like hide my period and so on, but you know, it's not like something you want to flash out and about. Like I would rather not have everyone see, so I keep everything in there and then, you know, do what you need to do. Next is my supplement box, but it's empty right now. I need to refill it. I keep it in here because this is like the most accessible area for like my miscellaneous stuff, so this stays in there. This little box is from Muji. I love it. I love their little clear boxes like this. This is really great. Something a bit more exciting. Another Muji box. But this one has all my jewelry in it, which, I don't know. I used to have them in a little pouch that used to be like the packaging for my card holder, but they were always like, everything was always falling out and then like floating around the pouch. And I used to have to dig. I wear a lot of like Huggies. Like these are my biggest earrings. So I was always like having to like dig through, look for like my matching pairs, and I have a few that are similar. So it was just like an endless like battle. So now everything's in there. I love Huggies. They're all different. They all give off a different vibe, personality. I just adore them. Did I drop one? No. So yeah, love this. And now much more secure. Eventually, I'd love to get like an actual jewelry box because I do realize that things could scratch in here, but they're so small right now. It's not been a top priority. I have so many other things I would rather put my money into than a jewelry box, unfortunately, but I would really like one, and I would love to make this whole thing a little bit more aesthetic, but I think this is just fine too. Speaking of, next is my wallet. This is a Chanel card holder that Ryan, my husband, really kindly got for me for Mother's Day. There was a great big disaster accident where my son decided to take a bite out of it, and for the longest time it had little bite marks in it. I can see like one really slight one, but this is just a testament that the caviar leather is a very good choice if you get one of these, because this one gets a lot of wear. It's in my pocket, it gets thrown around, has my Metro card in it too, so I like swipe like this with it. It's the perfect wallet. It holds everything I need it to. I just adore it. Also, it's so chic. And yeah, I just love a card holder. I've done like wallets in the past, but I will always go back to a card holder. I think it's just so convenient, and I just love everything about it. And I don't carry that much anyway. Next up, see, I told you it got more exciting. Next is my little Chanel mirror. I always carry this with me wherever I go. This like velvet though is the most lint grabbing material I've ever seen, but it's okay. It's this one. I love this baby yellow color so much. I remember these released, I've told this story in another video, but I'll tell you quickly as well. These released like forever ago in the summer, and I saw them. I adored the yellow, but at the time it wasn't like, oh, I'm jumping on this to get this mirror. But after seeing it, I kind of thought about it a little bit, and I did have a little bit of a need to have a mirror so I could like do touch-ups and stuff. I think it's good to have. One day I went to get something from Chanel makeup because I use their foundation and a few other products, and I kind of asked, like, oh, do you have maybe any of the mirrors left? And they were like, yes, we have one yellow one. And I was like, oh, okay. And I didn't buy it still. I'm so annoying. I wait so long before buying something, so I was like, oh, okay, I'll think about it. And then like literally like a month or two later, I went back to like restock on something again. I was like, oh, you probably don't have it anymore because it's been forever, but do you maybe have that mirror? And they're like, yeah, we still have it. So then I was like, okay, this time I'm gonna grab it. So here it is. I love it. Looks like this when it's open. I'm trying to not blind you. Well, you can't see anything now, but you know, it's a mirror. You get the idea. But yeah, I love it. And also it's really cute because it matches my my lip product. Look how cute. I love this color. I'm running really low of this. I adore it. This is something else I keep in the pouch and always have with me. This is the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm Lip Treatment in Banana Kiss. It does taste like banana. If you're not super into like sweet, you probably won't like this. It really tastes like banana candy, but that's one of my favorite things in the world. It is a little bit plumping, and I love the color of it. That's what I have on right now. It has this kind of like, because it's like light yellow like this, it kind of like neutralizes your lip. I think it's so pretty. It almost creates like a baby pink. I love it. And it's super, super moisturizing. I have like chronic dry lips, and this is really great. Next up, this I'm so excited about. This is a Laura Mercier lipstick. This is the color 136 Shanty Lace, and I freaked out when I saw this color. I've told this story before. It's magnetic. It's so cool. This reminds me a lot of a MAC lipstick that I used to wear years ago, and I looked for a dupe for so long because it wasn't a lipstick that was released. I got it at an event, and it actually was just like a promotional lipstick. And I saw this buying their powder because I've used their powder for a long time, and I freaked out when I saw it. I tried it. I loved it. I almost didn't buy it. I always do this. And then at the checkout, I was like, oh, actually, I need to grab the lipstick too. I'll regret it if I don't get it. And I just love it. It's my new like lip color. This is my combo. This is actually a matte lipstick, but I will do a layer of this first and then just a little bit of this, and I love what it creates. I don't know that it has the craziest lasting power because I'm putting it over a balm. You lose like the matte effect, but I'm not really going for a matte lip anyway. I'll show you. Literally, this is all I do. But it's so pretty. It reminds me of like Victoria's Secret, like 90s supermodel makeup lips. It's really light, but you see it in person and it's just like perfect. I love it. Next, we're almost there, but there's a few bits left. My keys. We can, keys are keys. Okay, here's the exciting part. I then have the last bits, which are my perfume. First things first. Oh my god, I almost don't want to show this because I've been trying to get another bottle of this and it's sold out. I don't want to like hype it up even more because I can't even get more of this. This is the Yognog body spray from Lush. This is my favorite Lush like scent that they have. Normally it's a shower gel. I don't know how many times they've released a body spray, but I saw that the body spray was releasing. I follow Lush on Reddit, which is so crazy, but I like to know what's coming. I love the little seasonal stuff, and I love Lush because sometimes I'll kind of plan like me running out of soap or something around a release. So yeah, this is the body spray. This came in a set, which I grabbed because I had a feeling that the regular bottle of the body spray would be really hard to get, and I love everything else Yognog anyway, so I was happy to get the set and get this in the process. I'm so glad that I did because now this is sold out. Then I saw that the body spray released and I missed it, so didn't get to grab another of this. So I am like babying this like crazy. This smells so good. This smells very like Christmassy. It's like a gourmand for sure, but a little bit spicy too. It's not like sickly sweet, but it is pretty sweet. But I think it's worth smelling. I would say this is like a safe blind buy if you're into like cozy, like warm gourmand scents, but I don't know, I always recommend trying. There's a lot of scents that I see hyped up a lot, and then when I smell them, I'm like, oh, actually, like, this one's not for me. So as a minimalist, I recommend smelling something, especially perfume, before you buy it. But this is so hard to get. And actually, I've been wearing basically just this, and I feel like the lasting power of these body sprays is so insane, even compared to a regular perfume. Speaking of, here's my regular perfume. This is Molecule number 1. This is a super niche scent. Not the most beautiful bottle. Unfortunately, it's really not like a stunning bottle. I don't think it even comes with a lid. It's just like this. And this was purple at some point, but the color faded. This is, nonetheless, you don't buy for the bottle, you buy for the scent. An amazing scent. This is super cool. It's one ingredient. It reacts with your skin and smells a little bit different on everybody. They've released a few others, so now there's like Molecule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I bought 5 for Ryan. It smells so good. It smells like rain. These are definitely unisex, and It's really hard to describe because it's really the one ingredient. It smells, I want to say like a chemical, but that's like, it's not like a plastic. It's like, it's a really unusual scent. I recommend smelling this. I recommend trying it on your skin, seeing how it wears, because people really will smell this and they'll ask you. Like, people stop me when I'm wearing this, but it's very, very light though, but it's unusual and it's really cool. I don't know that these go together though. This can definitely be worn all year, but I don't know that I would layer these two. Last but not least, 3 little samples. These are Chanel samples. These are samples of their very expensive perfumes, which I love, but I cannot afford. Oh, and actually these are 3 of the same. This is Comet, which is their newer one. This is a really cool scent. It smells like, this is terrible. It smells like a comet. Like, it smells very spacey, a little bit interesting. Similar vibe to this. Like, you can't quite pinpoint what you're smelling, but it smells like very cool. I don't know if you can smell this like this. Like a little bit futuristic. I really recommend smelling this if you can. I'm sure you can find it at like any Chanel counter. Really, really cool scent. I'm writing out these little samples. I really enjoy them. I think this is still better than this. This is so amazing. I've worn this since I was like 13. And this is like the winter scent. So yeah, that's everything that I keep in this little pouch. Some things I take with me, some things I leave in there, like the perfume I kind of leave. I'm obsessed with this to the point where I take this with me, but you know, that's the idea. Basically the little pouch where I unload everything and then pick from for my little essentials. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this. This is such like a cool like little thing. I love this thing. And I love that system. It's like my lifesaver. It's so easy to switch bags and grab my essentials when they're all grouped up in this. Like I will have mentioned in my other videos, keep an eye out for my videos about finishing my closet. I can't wait to show the finished product. I actually can't wait myself to know what the finished product will be, because right now it's still a work in progress. And I plan to post a few other videos about my closet as I'm kind of rediscovering my closet, working on it right now. So make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Follow my Instagram, shesfrench, to see more because I post really often. And also, I have a really cute sticker shop called Cowboy Cafe. It's all linked below. I would love it if you check it out. Bye guys!